continuing our tour, so to speak, of the 86 Legend. It's just now entered Acura North Scottsdale, but I wanted to share this cool newsletter that Chapman Acura in Tucson put together. Can't really tell from the video, but this is actually a 3D sort of image here, but they had their entire staff out with the car as part of the March 27th celebration of the Acura brand's 40th year. So this was a cool newsletter that they put out, and I got a couple copies of it to keep with the car. So thanks, Chapman, for being cool about displaying a piece of Acura history. Here's stop number 3 for the 86 Legend. We got it in Acura North Scottsdale now. They're just moving a Type S Integra in here, but this is now dealership 3 of 4 in the state that this thing has been to, and I'm working on arrangements for the last one.